Hello viewers, a couple of weeks ago I posted a video on my YouTube about bushfires, particularly the types of fuel that you can use in total fire bans, the exemptions for synthetic fuels and that sort of thing. Bushfires can be started for a lot of reasons. Some are natural, some are accidental, some are arsonists and that sort of thing. But for many years I've heard from old timers that one source of ignition for bushfires are exhaust systems on vehicles.
You can see here, parking a car on long grass, the long grass is touching the hotter components of the exhaust system. Just do that. And further back near the muffler too. Okay, this is the front part of the exhaust system, so it's usually the hottest part. You've got a catalytic converter there somewhere, you've got shielding, and there's a bit of leaf litter caught up underneath there, which is right up beside the exhaust pipe. It's bone dry, so that has the very high potential to ignite off the hot exhaust pipe coming straight down from the engine.
Now I've never seen it, I've heard of it, and certainly where I live I drive around a lot of dirt roads, four-wheel drive and that sort of thing, across grassy ground and that sort of stuff, and I did a bit of research on it, and I'll post some links down below in the description. Yes, it is a risk. Now I don't know if viewers who are watching this video have experienced it or seen it. I haven't seen it firsthand. But one of the things with car exhaust systems is that when you're driving around, exhaust systems get hot. They do. And if you pull over alongside the road on a grassy verge or something like that, and the grass gets up around the hotter parts of the exhaust system, mainly up around the engine area, the catalytic converters and that sort of thing, if the grass is dry enough, like it is around here at the moment, tinder dry, it can start a fire. Not only will you lose your vehicle, but it can also start a bushfire or a wildfire. The same can be said for vehicles with exhaust systems in poor condition of repair. You've got leaks in them or cracks in them or that sort of thing. And from time to time, even when I'm driving around here on dirt roads and things, I'll pick up sticks under the vehicle, and I've got to stop and pull them out because it could be close or wrapped around the exhaust system. So that's one of the bushfire risks that maybe a lot of people don't know about. I have found links referring to that. One put out by the Country Fire Authority in South Australia. And it can happen to farm machinery too. Anything with an exposed exhaust system, that combustion engines, ranging from generators to fire hose, firefighting pumps, that sort of thing. Anything that has an exposed exhaust system where leaf litter or grass gets too close to it and it's hot enough to ignite the material that's around the hot areas of the exhaust system. So that's something to consider, and as I said before, if anybody's ever seen this or experienced it, please post on this video. I've heard of it, never seen it, but there are warnings out there. Thank you viewers, take care, be safe.